Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a product for the first time. That product is called AT-205 Reseal. It's an automotive product to help stop oil leaks that you may have in your car or vehicle. So I'm going to be trying it out here, reading the instructions, and hopefully we can stop the oil leak that we have here in our Toyota Camry. Let me show you what's going on. This is a Toyota Camry 2002, and we've had some oil leaking. I just put this under here about 2 hours ago. So let me show you what we have here. So that's 2 hours of leaking right there. I'm going to try to seal that up and see if I can get that to stop at least a little bit more. So for the most part, the car leaks about, I'd say, about a quart every two and a half weeks, I guess. So let me show you what sealer we're going to try to use. Here's a look at the product that we're going to use to try to seal that oil leak. It's AT-205 Reseal. Comes in an 8-ounce bottle. Let's go to the box here and read some of this. Stops leaks in engine, transmission, power steering, differential, hydraulic system. Do not use in brake system. Fast-acting leak sealer, safe for internal components. Not a whole lot of directions here. Let's see. Fast, effective, safe. Stop leak for all rubber seals and gaskets. The exclusive formulation restores worn out, dried out seals and is not harmful to internal bearings and components. Fully compatible with conventional and synthetic motor oils for gasoline and diesel engines. ATF and gear oil used in automatic transmissions, manual transmissions, and differentials. Power steering fluid in rack and pinion and steering box applications. Hydraulic oil used with plows, lifts, jacks, industrial equipment. Do not use the brake system again. If leak persists after 5 hours of operation, consult with a professional technician. Does not contain petroleum distillates. Full 8-ounce bottle will treat 6 quart capacity with maximum effectiveness. Adjust usage based on capacity. So this 8-ounce bottle is good for a car that uses 6 quarts. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the whole bottle here, since I use 5.7 quarts of oil. I'm going to use the whole bottle, put it in the crankcase here. It said 5 hours of operation, so probably not going to be able to do 5 hours straight, so I'll probably be driving around a couple of days. And then we're going to check and just keep watching the oil leak and see if it's getting smaller and smaller. So that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and put this stuff in. Alright, so let's pull this out. You saw this earlier at about 2 hours. I've taken the car out. I went about probably 10-12 miles, I guess. Put this back under there immediately after I parked, just within a few minutes. That's what it looks like now. So that's that's today. It's probably been a total of 4 hours, a couple of drives. Let's go ahead and I want to take a look at the 205 Reseal, what it looks like. So first of all, it's just like a water consistency. So it's clear. I'm going to put this in and I'm going to start driving around now. I'm not going to get 5 hours of driving, but I'll drive for probably about an hour. And then it'll be parked and taken back out, you know, pretty much like you typically would your everyday driver for most people. Over a course of maybe a day or two, I expect it should be start to work, or should show signs of that it's working by that time. So we'll check back and take a look, you know, in a day or so. So this is now the second day. This car was parked here about 12 hours ago. Drove it up at 11 o'clock last night, put the poster board under it, and I've just looked under it and I'm pretty surprised. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. So this is 12 hours. There's a spot there of oil, but it's a couple spots. Alright, I could definitely live with that. Much better. So we're getting ready to leave here. I'll put it back. And I'm going to keep doing this for another day as far as the video goes. Because I don't even know if there's actually been 5 hours of drive time on it. Probably getting pretty close. But let me show you yesterday. So you know, I'll put this aside here. That's yesterday at like 4 hours right there. So that's clearly a big, you know, clearly a change. Clearly it's making a difference. So anyway, that's just the latest update. Pretty happy about that. I really wasn't expecting that, to tell you the truth. So I'll keep monitoring it, and for another day anyway, and I'll give an update soon here. Car was pulled up here last night at about 11 o'clock. Right now it's 9 o'clock. So it's like 10 hours of just sitting here on the carport. Let's see what we have here. So we've got one single spot here. So that's even better than yesterday. Really not bad at all. So here's the progression, I guess, of all this. Clearly, this stuff has worked here. The AT-205 reseal has worked. You know, there's still a little leaking, but hey, you know, that's something I can totally live with. And you know, I may even put another bottle in at some point. But let's look at the progression here. So here's what we started out with, and that was about a quart every 2.5 weeks. Okay, so that was just 4 hours of sitting right there. This was 12 hours, and this was not even a full. I don't think this was the full 5 hours of driving, drive time. That was 12 hours, and then here is more than likely 5 hours of drive time. So yeah, pretty happy about it. I'm convinced that it's totally worked here. And recondition these seals. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful, and take care.